Hi everyone. Well, rain around this morning, then drying out, but rain coming back this evening and possibly a couple of severe storms as well. So let's take a look at your updated weekend forecast sponsored by NIPSCO. I do have to mention the chance for isolated showers and storms around this morning. Best chance in the eastern part of the region, so I do think LaPorte County has the best chance of still seeing showers and storms at 8 a.m. I do think by 10 a.m. though, this morning, the rain clearing us, and then we're in for an extended dry streak. But unfortunately, it is going to get hot this afternoon. Now, the hottest part of the day is going to be about 4 o'clock this afternoon. I do think a lot of us will be topping out in the low 90s. But it's also going to be very humid. So it's going to be feeling like the upper 90s. One thing that will help, though, is going to get breezy this afternoon. Breezy conditions do help. Gusts 20, maybe up to 25 miles per hour. So, when does the rain chance begin again? I'm going to stop the model at 10 o'clock this evening because if you're going to be in Chicago, I do think the rain chance will be getting. We may still be dry in northwest Indiana, but I do want to mention by 10 o'clock, the rain's starting to push into the Chicago area. And see that shade of orange? Yeah, I think storms are going to be moving in as well. And what's most likely for Chicagoland is just heavy rain and lightning. But we've got to keep the chance in there. The storms could still have some intensity and produce some damaging wind and hail. So let's go in hour increments. Here's 11 o'clock and rain chance beginning for northwest Indiana. As far as the peak over us, it's looking like about midnight, 1 a.m. is when we have the best chance. I do think this will be scattered showers and storms, a better chance across the northern part of the region than the southern part of the region, Newton, Jasper County. The thunderstorms may be limited to the northern part of the region. We'll keep the chance in for the storms reaching the southern part, but it does look best closer to the lake. There's midnight, there's 1 a.m., but notice the shades of orange going away, as it does look like the activity is going to be weakening as it moves over us, which is good news. It's making it less likely that there's going to be severe weather. And then by 2 a.m., looks like that round of activity will be pushing out of here. So, from about 10 o'clock tonight until 2 a.m., scattered showers and storms. Most likely, all it's going to be is heavy rain and lightning, particularly across the northern part of the region, Lake Porter and LaPorte County. But do have to keep the chance in there for wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour and perhaps as large as penny-size hail. Hopefully it won't happen, but do have to mention the chance from about 10 o'clock this evening until 2 a.m. Now, let's talk about Sunday. So, again, kind of a lull in the activity from 2 a.m. until 7 a.m., but beginning around 7 a.m. Sunday morning, I think the activity is going to start to pick up again as the actual cold front starts to approach the region. So it's actually not the cold front arriving at night. The cold front is actually going to be arriving over us during the late morning hours on Sunday. So we'll start to see the activity peak up in the early morning hours Sunday. The best chance of rain on Sunday is looking like the late morning hours. And unlike tonight, it looks like the best chance of rain will be across the southern part of the region, Newton and Jasper County. So, yes, there's going to be heavy rain and lightning in spots, I think, during the late morning hours, but I'm not worried about severe storms. Now, there is going to be lingering rain Sunday afternoon. I think we will be past the peak of the activity once we get into the early afternoon hours, but through the afternoon, I do have to keep the chance in there for isolated showers and some weak storms. Probably more showers than storms, but there's still going to be a couple storms that'll pop up. Look how we're going to be cooler Sunday thanks to the cold front. Yeah, how about 4 o'clock Sunday afternoon? Temperatures mainly in the low to mid 80s. Just like today, it's going to be breezy though. And I do think by 7 o'clock Sunday evening, we will be completely dry.